Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to sell digital products on TikTok Shop. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So let's say you have a platform such as Racket.ph, Etsy, Gumroad, etc., where you sell digital products but you want to expand your market. TikTok is actually a good platform to promote products. So to promote your website there or your digital products, first you need to turn your TikTok account into business account. So to do that, just go to your TikTok profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Then when you see these options, tap on Account. Then you will see these. So of course, here you need to select Switch to Business Account. Then just keep on tapping Next here. And then you can select product categories here. So since you're selling digital products, you can just select Others. After that, you can add your email already, or you can just skip this for now. Next, you can also add a bio here already, or you can also just set that up later. Now that it's done, as you can see, we already have a business TikTok account. So let's just go back to our profile. So first, refresh the page, then tap on Edit Profile. So here, you will have an option to put a website link. So you can put the link of the platform where you are selling your digital products. So for example, this one. Then you can also make videos here on TikTok about what you are selling, in this case, digital products, and tell your audience to view your profile, and there they can click on the website link. And once they click on it, they will be directed to your site where they can purchase your digital products. Of course, just make your videos appealing and try to regularly post contents so you can have a higher chance to grow your audience and potentially gain more buyers. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.